Discover one of Georgia's most extraordinary legacy estates, where 720 breathtaking acres of rolling countryside, mature hardwoods, planted pines, pristine lakes, and abundant wildlife create a private retreat unlike anything else in West Georgia. For children in need. Designed for those who appreciate the outdoors, this remarkable property is a true sportsman's paradise. Trophy white-tailed deer, wild turkey, ducks, and small game thrive across the diverse landscape, while a stunning 25-acre spring-fed lake, 3 stocked ponds, and a picturesque creek provide incredible fishing, boating, kayaking, and year-round recreation. Established hunting stands, feeders, extensive trail systems, and internal roads make exploring every corner of the property effortless, whether by ATV, horseback, or truck. At the heart of the estate sits a beautifully crafted 7,200 square foot custom home featuring 10 bedrooms, expansive open concept living spaces, a large kitchen and dining area designed for entertaining, and a practical mudroom that perfectly complements the property's outdoor lifestyle. Whether hosting extended family, corporate retreats, or large gatherings, the home offers generous accommodations in a peaceful countryside setting. Beyond the residence, the estate is equipped with an impressive collection of amenities rarely found on a single property. A private gated entrance, paved access road, underground utilities including natural gas, water, sewer, fiber optic internet, and power